Stock trading. One stock jumped 3 times in one day. How far could it go? Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. So this stock is called AKAN, AKAN Corporations, and I want to give this to you as a gift. It has been up over 552% past month, and I got it on the second day of the run. And you don't have to get it the first day of the run, right? And even if you get it on the second day, some of the stocks will run for a few more days, and most of the stock run for like 3 days. So that's my rules. Hey, you scrape for the stock pre-market. If it jump pre-markets, and if it jump a day before, most likely today is gonna be jumping. Right? Very simple. Very simple. So I got it. I sent out an alert to my patron. Hey, AKA 7549 on April 28, 2026. So on April 30th, basically I sent out it on April 29th. So within one day after my alert, it's basically reached 52.32. So 199% gain in one day, just in one day. Of course, on April 29th, it hit about $30 plus, $30 plus. Then it jumped again on second day. And April 30th, 199% gain. So what happened? There are three reasons. Basically, AKAN is a cannabis center, right? The past 5 days, 395.55%, and after hours is up. So today is Friday. So refresh it. Let's refresh it. Pre-market is up 22.32%. So most likely it's gonna be up today too, right? So if you can take advantage of this situation, then you can make profits. You don't have to get it the first day, April 29th, it jumped. Usually you're not gonna get it. Then after that, it went down, it pulled back. Then April 29th, pre-market, it was up. So that's a good sign. When it opened, it gap up. So gap up is also another good sign that it's gonna keep going up. So we got it, then after that it went up, then just flat. Instead of going down, it flat, which is a good sign for April 30th. April 30th, it jumped too. Look at this, jump. So what do I look at it? I look at the chart. Pre-market open April 30th, then it jumped after it opens. Then it went up like this. I like that. Usually we would take profit at the top right here. But it pulled because when I see the sign of pullback, I usually take profits with the day trading penny stock. But some of you may be lucky, right? Let's say you usually get lost earlier. This is very rare. This is rare. Okay, when it pull back, it's the best action is to get lost. If you wait longer, 80 to 90% of the time, the stock just gonna crash. But this time it's lucky, so it just went up again, then it crashed again. Then now today is Friday, May 1st. Pre-market is up. Most likely it's gonna be up, right? Most likely it's gonna be up. So year to date, if you look at 1 month, it's 1,464.22%. That's pretty crazy, pretty crazy. So year to date only 341. And 1 year it stayed down. 1 year it stayed down. 5 years on, you are losing money. So never hold penny stock and speculative stock, because you most likely gonna lose. Even if you bought it in 2025 September, you will stay losing money. Even if with the big jump, you will stay losing money. It's always look at the sign. Right before the sign, if the stock shows great sign, just trade. It's like one night stand, right? You meet a girl and she's giving you the sign that you can bring her home. Just do one night stand. And if you have been waiting for this girl for like 1 year, 2 years, if she doesn't like you, you're not gonna get her. It doesn't matter how long you wait her. You're gonna lose your energy, money. The same way, stock trading. Always look for the sign, especially pre-market. Then gap up. That's another good sign. I think this could run for the next few days. Why? Because it's a cannabis stock. Cannabis stock. And what happened with cannabis stock? US cannabis reclassification. President Trump reclassified US cannabis. So used to be a crime, then they reclassified so more people could use cannabis, so more demand, so cannabis company, related companies, more demand, more revenue, that means potentially more net income, right? So that's why it jumped. Then after that, reverse stock split. They did a reverse stock split. 4.5 shares becomes 1 share. So your share shrinks. The pool of shares was like this. Then after the stock split, reverse stock split, it shrink. So that means the stock, they are low float, and there's a low float momentum, right? Low float momentum because there's not many shares to buy. Combined with great news for cannabis reclassifications, and then it just push up the price of the stock. That's what happened. So if you do scanning before the market open, usually most people gonna get 5 or 7 stocks to trade. So that's a big mistake. I usually choose only one, just one, because I know that that one is the ones that has the most potential. Most potential. Because I always saw that it's gonna be jump one day, then after that, second day, hey, I could still follow. It's not too late. It's not too late, right? It's not too late for that. So let's look at the past 5 days. Yeah, April 28th it jumped. Then I saw it on my scanner. Hey, second day I'm not too late. I could get it. Most 99% of the stock gonna jump on the second day too if the signs are right. The pre-market jump and cap up, and possibly 80% of the stocks gonna jump on the third day, just like on April 30th, April 29th, second day, April 30th is the third day. That will be like possibly 80% of stock. The fourth day is very few, probably 10%. Yeah, the drop is quite significant. The drop is quite significant. So that's why I always say 3-day rules. I have a 3-day rules for day trading. For penny stock, day trading, 3-day rules. The first day I don't have to catch it because I want to see the pattern. And second day, oh, very confirmed. The first day was a jump, and second day pre-market jump, and the gap up, yes, most likely yes. And plus another side is I look at it, the chart. Is the chart like this, or you sometimes the stock may go up pre-market, then gap up a little bit at the open, but after the stock drop, the chart drop. I don't like it. I don't like it. So this is the fourth side. Number 5, basically at the top, pull back, just take profit. That's my number 5. So these are my 5 criteria for day trading. If you want to profit from, you can add this to your watch list, right? All the stocks that I mentioned on my channel, not a financial advice to buy or hold or sell them, but you can add them on watch list. But if you see the signs of gapping up, going up, momentum, then you can trade it. So that's one way. And the easiest way would be to be my patron, right? I send out alerts, just join the member. Then when I trade, you get the alert. When I have a watch list like that, you get the alert. That would be the easiest one. So if you want to learn more, go to Master Stock Option Crypto, click on playlist. You will know more about stock investing, stock trading, option trading, advanced option, day trading movement, stock and gold and silver, and rare earth investing. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.